During the launch of the locally assembled GLA, Mercedes Benz Malaysia also unveiled the CKD version of the A-Class sedan. By locally assembling the A-Class sedan, Mercedes Benz Malaysia managed to lower the entry barrier to the Mercedes Benz brand for many new buyers. But that's only applicable for the A200 sedan. So if, let's say, you want something more powerful, Mercedes Benz Malaysia also offer the Mercedes Benz A250 AMG-Line, which has been locally assembled as well. With that, welcome back to Carsick.my for another review video. This time round, I'll be taking a closer look at the Mercedes Benz A250 sedan and see why you should consider this over the GLA or the GLB. On the outside, the A250 sedan is a rather sporty looking vehicle that comes with a sports car-like proportions. But there is a sense of elegance in the way the car is being designed, where the clean body lines balance out the sportiness of the vehicle. Just like all the other 250 variants, the A250 gets the 3D pattern front grille with a Mercedes-Benz star logo at the center for the Mercedes-Benz look. Full LED headlights and taillights come standard on the A250. And the headlights do get adaptive high beam assist for the darker roads. At all corners, the A250 comes with 18-inch rims that have similar design to the rims found on the GLA 250 and the GLB 250. The rims on the A250 are wrapped in 225/45 R18 tires that will provide the necessary grip for the vehicle. Inside the A250, we'll see a dashboard design that is quite familiar by now. Everything inside here, from the two 10.25-inch screens that are being used as the instrument cluster and the infotainment screen, to the climate control buttons at the lower part of the dashboard, and to the touchpad on the center console, everything is similar to the GLA and the GLB. The only difference here is that everything is lower in the A250. Same goes to the driver's seat. In the A250, the lower sitting position gives the driver a more sporty feeling. As the driver, I feel more connected to the vehicle. But just like the GLA and the GLB, I would like to have a thicker side bolster on the driver's seat to provide better sense of security. Hopping into the back seats, I do get good amount of legroom and headroom behind my driving position, but the A250 is not a very wide vehicle, so sitting 3 adults at the back could be quite a squeeze. The rear seats have the ability to be folded down flat, which increases the boot carrying capacity. Without folding down the rear seats, behind there, we already have a decently sized boot that measures in at 420 liters. Under the hood, we have the same engine that we can find in the GLA 250 and the GLB 250. This is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. In the A250, the power is only being sent to the front wheels. Here are the performance figures for a quick recap. While there aren't any changes in the engine performance, the lighter weight of the A250 makes the engine feel more lively. I can feel that the car is more eager to get up to speed, and the turbo lag has also been minimized. On top of that, I find that the gear change is also much snappier in the A250. The gap between gear change on the GLA and the GLB is also minute on the A250, which further improves the driving experience. Fuel economy was also better in the A250, but for a 2-liter turbocharged engine, the 8-liter per 100km figure is quite acceptable, but I won't consider it impressive. The previous generation A-Class was famous for having a rather stiff suspension, but for this generation, Mercedes-Benz engineers put in extra effort to soften the car up. As a result, the A250 rides over bumps and uneven roads in a comfortable manner. Even with softer suspension, the A250 handles really well. The steering feels precise, but it's not as sharp as the steering found on the Golf variants. And when the A250 is driven on the edge, the back has the tendency to slide progressively. This is not an issue, as the driver has sufficient time to react when the car starts sliding. Most Mercedes Benz vehicles have strong brakes, and the A250 do get that as well. There is good stopping power, and the brake pedal is easy to manipulate. For the A250, it has entry-level driver assistance system to add a layer of protection for the driver. The safety and driver assistance systems include Among the GLA, GLB and the A-Class sedan, I would definitely choose the sedan over the SUV. I'll choose the A250 just because I personally like driving a sportier vehicle, and the GLA and the GLB's taller center of gravity does reduce the stability of the vehicle. While it may not be as practical as the SUVs, the size of the A250 suit my needs better. Apart from that, the A250 is also cheaper compared to its siblings, and is being retailed at 254,000 ringgit. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please kindly leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more future videos. If you would like to find out more about the Mercedes Benz A250, feel free to head on over to our website carsick.my for more information. Hope to see you soon. Bye!